step by step, an easy way to learn English. Read this text. We shall go to the circus this afternoon. If you want to come with us, you have to call us early. Today is the last day for the circus in this town, so it is better to decide now, because we have to book places for the afternoon performance before all the seats are taken. This is our last chance, so you have to tell me soon. If you don't want to go, I shall call them now and book only for us. But I would like you and your family to come. It will be fun.